Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabin here from Sabin Digital. Welcome to my hosting review. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the one of the cheapest web hosting provider which is available out there and which is actually good comparing to their pricing hosting. I have been customer for a hostinger for 3 years now, and I'm going to be giving my honest feedback. It is the 4th time I'm normally doing a review for the hostinger. I have already done a lot of time on other YouTube channel that I own, but this time I'm going to be giving a detailed review that whether hostinger is good for your business or not. So if you're one of those people who are curious to know whether hostinger will offer you a quality services, make sure you are going to normally watch this video until the end. And if you're interested to get your copy right now, they are having their anniversary deals, so you can normally use the link down below this video to get that deal. And also I'm going to be updating one coupon code which will provide you a addiction discount to allow you save couple of dollars. So now if we normally come to their homepage, they have got a 3 different pricing plan. So first plan they have got right now is a single share hosting, which will cost you only $1.39 per month, where you can create a one website, a 30 GB of storage and 10,000 visitor. And a lot of people think that this is a total number of a limit on the visitor you are going to be getting on your website. This is not actually true. This means the number of the visitor the web hosting can handle every single month. And if this normally limit get out of it reach, your website will still be live, but it will normally perform really slow. Not really slow, but big slow comparing to a normal strip. And for your business, you need a business email account. They are going to be offering a one business email account. They also are going to be offering a free SSL certificate for your website, kind of this security icon which will help you to encrypt your website. And if you are one of those people who are depending on SEO for driving a traffic from Google or other search engine, this is really important. Or if you are selling something on your website, that is really handy for you. Another, they are not going to offer you a free domain name and Google advertisement credit on their basic plan, but you can however check out their premium plan, which is also not so expensive. It will only cost like $2.59 per month, but there you are going to be getting a lot of things, like you are going to get an 100 website, 100 GB SSD storage, 25,000 monthly visitor, free unlimited email account, free SSL certificate, free domain name, a Google ad credit, unlimited bandwidth with no limit. You can manage a WordPress. You can manage a WordPress on this plan also. WordPress accessories, 30-day money back guarantee, unlimited database, GIT access and SSH access. Okay, SSH access. These are 2 different plans, and the most popular one is this. I have personally used this and this both, but I'm going to normally do a review of this plan today properly, because I know that you are just beginner who are just beginning your blogging journey or your web development journey. You do not want to go really overboard in terms of a web hosting, so you are definitely going to start out with a basic plan. So we are just going to do a basic plan review. So if you need a high-end plan, you can normally consider going on a WordPress hosting or their website builder, some other plan which is quite expensive, but still you can normally get one. So now I'm going to normally log into my hosting account, and let's start normally reviewing the service which has been included on their platform. As you can see, I have got a 1, 2, 3, 4 different account in their platform. I have been using a hostinger for really long. I have gotten a lot of agency website that I have hosted on their server. Okay, so now I'm just going to log into a hostinger, and this is the website that I'm currently hosting, which is called getaquinox.org. And I have got normally their basic plan on this particular account, where I can normally show you every single thing. They are going to be normally forcing you to upgrade to their premium plan, because their premium plan is actually the one which offer the most number of value. So now I'm going to click on the manage. Once I normally click on the manage here, you can see all of your hosting plan and the resources and normally space your normally plan is currently using. So as you can see, your Dix usage, your Windows, your email account, your subdomain limit, and every single thing will be normally listed on this side of your hosting account. And here will be also name server for you. So if you want to normally connect your domain name, and your main domain name will appear IP address, which server they are currently providing you, and your hosting plan. And if you normally scroll it below, they have got a lot of option over there for you to normally help you to understand every single thing properly. I guess their CPanel for a web hosting is pretty much optimized comparing to any other one, because it's really clean and simple. This is not a typical CPanel we used to normally see on the other hosting brand. So for managing your WordPress website, you can use this 2 option menu, renewal, upgrade, set a main domain name, email account and email setup, domain setup options, and website builder. So they have got a really variety of a way for normally creating a website. First is a auto installer. In case if you want to install a WordPress, which is one of the most used CMS website builder, most of the people prefer using a WordPress. I also have normally created a WordPress website on this particular domain name. If you normally click on the auto installer, let me open this on the new tab, it will normally take you to a page where you can normally install a WordPress really easy. You can install WordPress, WooCommerce plus WordPress if you are doing a drop shipping or starting your own e-commerce website, Joomla and any other. So if I normally click on the WordPress, I can normally just go with a basic detail and a basic process of installing WordPress, click install, and my website will be installed. And now if we normally go over here, they also has got an import website. If you have got an XML page or an entire website template, or you want to normally host your website through your own file, you can directly use their import feature to import your website. There will be a migration feature. In case if someone want to normally migrate a website from any other hosting brand, that feature is also available. Error page, learn to code, if you want to do a coding and all those, there is also available for that. SEO toolkit, digital marketing and business services. So they have gotten a various variety of things that you can normally use. A file manager. So now let's open their file manager. Sometime to normally install a lot of things, we need to normally access our file manager where we are going to be doing some changes on the file on our website and many things, right? But a lot of the hosting brand, there are a hosting brand like Hostinger and few other not Hostinger, HostGator and few other brand, which is not going to be allowing you to access a file manager. That can be a really painful if you want to normally update something on your file manager. The moment when I want to normally make my website a mobile optimized, I have to include some code on the file manager of my web hosting, and on that time, it's back in 2017, I was using a HostGator as my web hosting, and they the plan that I have brought in, that I was not able to do that. Most of their plan will not allow you to normally use the file manager. They don't even have got a refund for a few plan, which is really the false claim they usually do on their sales page. This is why you have to be really picky when it comes to choosing your web hosting brand. Okay, so now if I want to do any kind of a changes, I can just go to a public XML and start doing the changes in my entire website. Their file manager is also kind of a way more optimized. You can normally click on this, create a new folder, okay, create a new file, create a new folder. If you want to upload something, refresh something, icons, languages, log out, all feature that you need for optimizing your website through a file manager will also be provided. If you want to back up your entire website, you can normally use this backup feature to do this, and you can also use a FTP system. There is a database for you. Advanced, if you want to normally do a DNS zone, PHP configuration and all those things. Cache manager is also available, and other few things like passport protection, IP manager, hotlink protection and all those. So these are the things that you are going to get in their CPanel. So now let's go to their email account and let's see what is the kind of email they are offering. So now I have already got their normally basic email plan, which you will get absolutely free of course with their hosting. This is the email that I have created. If I normally click on open, I just have to normally log in. Through my email account. So let me just log in, and now as you can see, this is their email server, which is really optimized. It do not has got a lot of things. They also has got a junk feature. If someone is trying to promote you something, sell something, or send spammy message, or send a virus or a malware infected email and all those things, it will automatically go to a junk. And after that, there is a send, draft and inbox, just a basic email account for you to do all your email stuff, just like in a Gmail and all those. But this looks more professional, and if you are doing it for your website, if you are doing it for your business, it will help you a lot. So now if I normally go over my WordPress website, now this is a WordPress website that I have created using a Hostinger, getaquinox.org, as I have already mentioned. And in this I have normally used a Thrive, Architect, Elementor and ClickFunnels. 3 different page builder. You see ClickFunnels, Thrive, Architect and Elementor as well. I also use a catchy plugin called a Viper Catch. This is a WordPress plugin which helps my website to be more faster in a less than a 30 second. If you are interested on this plugin also, I'm going to be leaving a link to this video down below or on the I button, where you can check out my Viper Catch review, where I have done a detailed review about this product, what is this product all about, and how it will help you to speed up your WordPress website in just a 30 second, which is something really amazing. Okay, so now it's time for doing a speed test. So now I'm going to go on doing a speed test. Okay, speed test for website. So now let's just normally search for this and do a speed test of my website from this particular web hosting. Okay, so now once we normally do a speed test, we can normally figure out how many page speed that my website is currently getting, how many time it is taking to load up. My website is using a lot of JavaScript, Javas, and lot of images and PNG. So my website is really lengthy because this website is for a fancy product service website, but still this is loading really faster because their hosting server is really great. So if you are one of those who are interested, as you can see here, 73% was my rating. And if I normally go over here, as you can see, first input delay, all those detail over here, it is taking like enough total of 5 to 6 seconds maximum to normally load up my website. But if you normally come on my website, I have got a really heavy pages. Okay, if I normally go to a ClickFunnels, this is a actual home page of my website, where I'm selling a product called Path Madness. I'm an online marketer also, where I normally sell courses on affiliate marketing, online business and all. And as you can see, this page is loading really slow because it is not designed on the WordPress. It is designed on a ClickFunnels page builder, but I'm using WordPress as a hosting platform for it. This is the reason for my website may look bit slow, but it is really optimized when you are just going to use the WordPress. So now I have also pulled up a stat of my website, how many visitors I'm receiving on the website, and all those things. As you can see here, maximum number of visitors on the same day was 300. And this is the page where I have normally received the most number of a visitor. Places from where I have got a traffic like munchai.com, Warrior Plus, 7 traffic from a search engine, okay, 6 from a Google, Facebook, software you need, and blah and blogger.com. So these are a place from where I have normally received maximum of my traffic. Most of them are a referral traffic, not organic traffic, and these visitors do not bounce a lot. My bounce rate is really low on my website, and call to action means for getting for call to action is really high. If you normally see over here, I have got a 300 visitor, and among those 300 visitor, 127 visitor click on the link. These two links means my website is doing really great in terms of selling product. People are not bouncing because of the slow speed. People are not bouncing because of a slow loading website, and people are not bouncing because of a less mobile optimized. Every single thing has been picture perfect with a hosting. Allow me to earn more profit from my website without losing a single traffic I'm receiving. This is why this is really great hosting provider in a really affordable price if you are a beginner and looking for a web hosting for you to normally try out. So I'm going to be recommending you hosting with my 100% surety. If you want to normally get your copy, I'm going to be recommending you to click a link down below this video, which will take you to a direct purchase page, direct homepage of a hosting. Reason for using that link is discount. Okay, I have got a special discount coupon for you. If you use that code and the link, you are going to be getting a special discount, and you are also going to get a 3 WordPress plugin absolutely free of cost from my end. That WordPress plugin is going to be a WP Rocket. I'm going to be installing a WP Rocket on your website with my agency, right? And not only that, I'm also going to normally provide you a Thrive Architect with my agency, right? So I've got an agency, right, for both of these two most used plugin, which will cost you more than $100 if you buy both of them individually, but you are going to get that absolutely free of cost. Just make sure you are going to be getting your copy from down below this video, and there will be an email where you have to send me an email with your purchase receipt of a hosting. Then I'm going to be replying you back within a 24 hour with an other process for normally getting those plugin on your website. And I am normally doing this from a really long time, providing a lot of intensive incentive for people who buy a product from me. So if you are incentive, get your copy right now. So I hope that you have really enjoyed my review of Hostinger. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. I'm here to help you if you have got any kind of a query. I hope that you have really enjoyed my Hostinger review. I'm going to be signing out from this video. Check you out on the